Hey everyone, my name is Marino Wijay. I'm a developer advocate at Solo. I'm here at KubeCon, and you might be wondering why you would want to use Istio. So you might be pretty far along in your Kubernetes journey, and you might be trying to figure out how you provide authentication and authorization to your services. You might be trying to figure out, how do I route to my services? You might be trying to understand why this is important, especially as you're trying to build resiliency into the way you build microservices in Kubernetes. And so Istio is just that. It offers up traffic management, observability, and security capabilities for your microservices. So let's think about traffic management for a second. You might want to have different versions of your application because you're rolling out a new feature. And so you may want to be able to roll out to this new version, but in a very confined sense. And you might not want to have to roll out every request that comes into that new feature. So you would use a service mesh to control this. Another situation is you've got a bunch of services that have to communicate with each other to give you a response. Along that pathway, there might be a service failure and you want to know about it. So service mesh gives you that observability, but that also gives you the tools to decide how you want to build this in a resilient manner. And then finally, you sit there and you're wondering, hey, how do I know this service is legitimate? How do I know this is an authorized service? How do I make sure that this service doesn't maliciously affect or impact another service in my entire application? And this is what a service mesh is going to help you solve. So if you want to learn more about how to use a service mesh, head over to academy.solo.io and take the Get Started with Service Mesh by Istio, and you can become an Istio hero pretty soon.